So assembling the card's pretty simple. I've already got some bits in place. This is a large size piece, which as I say can be cardstock, and you can emboss it if you wish. But I'm using DSP, and then I think I'll actually almost be finished this another pack of retired paper, which will be exciting. Okay, so we'll stick that piece down, and obviously we've got a matted piece here. Oh, I've got the pieces everywhere. This is very sweet. Just going to, yes, that's the right way up. It was the right way. So we'll just pop this onto our little cardstock mat. Should have a 2.5mm border on each side. And I just stuck this straight down onto the background. And it should be fairly even on all four sides. It should be completely even, in fact. Okay, I do have some scrap ribbon I'm using up, and I'm going to pop this on here too, if I can find my scissors. Yes, here they are. So it's just another nice little touch, which I might need to do a little tidy up here. Things are getting a bit sticky. Right, so I'm just going to use a bit of tape across here to hold my ribbon in place. There we go. This is again something else I've almost used up. That's how much I've got left. Whew. Going great guns here. Now I've already stamped out a little message, and I will use dimensionals to stick this one down, just to give it a little dimension here. Probably 3's enough on this little one. And again, I'm just taking my colour cue from the DSP, which has got the petal pink, as well as the old olive. And I'm going to put, I've got some little gems here. Again, these are Calypso coral gems, so I think we can make something nice with these. Again, something else I'm using up. That's great. Oopsie. Oh, maybe that one wants to go there. I'll put another one up here. There we go. That's pretty, isn't it? And on the inside, don't forget to decorate the inside. I've got a little insert I've already cut. It's actually exactly the same size as that large piece of paper there. And I've put a little scrap piece on there, but I'm also going to do a teeny bit of stamping just to show you this. The paper might be retired, but this is still a current stamp set, Apple Harvest, and the little flowers here are going to work for peach flowers. I think they'll be fine. In fact, I'm trying to work out whether I can turn these into peaches as well with careful colouring. Possibly can. But I'm just going to stamp this with some Calypso coral. Here we go. It's always nice to tie the front in with the inside, or tie the inside in with the front. So I'm just going to do a couple of little flowers there to tie in with the peaches. Okay, just about peach season too. I saw some in the supermarket yesterday, and I resisted because I like them to be super ripe, and these are just the very early ones. Aren't always quite as nice as the ones that have been really nicely ripened. Right, so that's a nice little thank you card, and you see, with all my little bits, I'll be able to make 12 of these, or whatever sentiment you'd like. So, hope you can join me. We are going to be doing the Love It, Chop It class is, I have no idea. I think it must be Saturday the 21st, but I'll have to double check that for you. I'll put it in the overlay. Thanks for joining me. Bye.